Okay, well, in this video, this is just a reminder of how to prepare for a lecture essay. So each lecture essay, you're striving to complete a 5 to 8 paragraph essay. And to do that, what you're going to do is you're going to receive this prompt right here. If you were to receive this prompt right here, this is what would appear on the exam. Discuss the age of expansion and conquest and its various stages of development. In your discussion, give examples of each phase of its development, show what the motivating forces were that finally induced England into colonization. So to prepare for that essay, what you want to do is you want to go through each of the learning objectives. So think of the learning objectives as the outline of the essay. You don't need to do any outside research. You shouldn't do any outside research. This is all self-contained. This lecture essays are self-contained. So the only material that you should be referring to for the lecture essays is the videos and the accompanying notes. So to prepare for the lecture essay, once again, you'll click the notes. And what you want to do for learning objective 1 is you want to specifically respond to this learning objective. Define the age of expansion and conquest and explain how, why, and when it developed. So if you notice, that is the first part of the discuss the age of expansion and conquest. So that's the first part of the actual essay prompt. So in discussing it, first you want to define it, right? And so you're simply going to go in, you're going to define it, and then you'll see here how it'll explain how, why, and when, right? So give a response to that. Again, each learning objective is going to be 1 to 3 paragraphs in length in response, right? Learning objective 2 works the same way. You click here, and you're responding specifically to this prompt right there, right? So you go through the notes, you go through the accompanying video right here, click play, and you'll do the same thing for learning objective 3. So again, all 3 learning objectives need to be responded to, and this works for all of the lecture essays. So if there's only 2 learning objectives, respond to both learning objectives. If there's 4 learning objectives, respond to 4 learning objectives. And each learning objective should produce 1 to 3 paragraphs. You combine the responses to each learning objectives. So for this one, you'll combine the response to learning objective 1, learning objective 2, learning objective 3, and that will produce your 5 to 8 paragraph essay. And that will be the response to this specific essay prompt right here. So do get a hold of me if you have any questions or just need clarification on how to do this process. I hope this helped. If it doesn't, please do get a hold of me. Take care. I'll talk to you later.